Well, we're back at the CTICC for day 2 of Africa Health in Medlab Africa 2024. I've got to tell you, it's been another exciting day of insightful discussions, networking opportunities and business deals. And this exhibition floor, wow, it has been buzzing with activity, with hundreds of exhibitors all showcasing their latest innovations in the healthcare sector. Day 2 of the Healthcare Indaba brought together leading experts to explore the transformative potential of AI and digital health in building a healthier Africa. The Nurse Leadership and Management session, along with Laboratory Medicine Conference, sponsored by Beckman Coulter, were major highlights today. This edition of #AFH has received strong support from various associations, including COSASA, ABC Health and the Internal Hospital Federation. The Transformation Zone continued to be a focal point, with the Health Tech Investment in Africa session attracting significant interest on the show floor. Tomorrow we spotlight the all-new Empower Her Women in Healthcare Congress. Additionally, the new Cr8 Student Entrepreneurship Competition will be launched. See who will take the #1 spot. Hey, are you ready for an unforgettable experience? Well, come visit us at Africa Health in Medlab Africa 2024 here in Cape Town at the CTICC to stand a chance to win a free trip to Arab Health in Dubai, the heart of the Middle East's health industry. It's your once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to explore the latest in health innovations and connect with global leaders. So don't miss out on this opportunity to win. Register and come visit us, #AFH, to be the lucky winner. The winner will be announced on Thursday, so we'll see you here.